Let's talk about a word you'll hear a lot in legal news: arraignment.
Arraignment for what?
An arraignment number on it?
An arraignment court judge.
Meaning the first official court hearing in a criminal case, where the person accused is told exactly what they're being charged with. Arraignment is a noun. It happens only once at the start of the case. The judge reads the charges, and the defendant usually enters a plea.
Because I sat in that arraignment.
You're picking up cases at the Court of Arraignments?
Here are 2 example sentences using arraignment. Number 1, the arraignment is scheduled for next Monday. Here's example number 2. At the arraignment, the judge read the charges to the defendant. That's arraignment, the legal first step in a criminal trial.
We'll know more after the arraignment.
Catch me tomorrow for another useful word, and subscribe so you're always one step ahead in your English learning. Right here on Online English TV.